500 miles!
500 laps.
Miles.
It's laps.
Miles.
Is a race car, and 500 yards, it would be over in 2 seconds. It's 500 miles.
It's 500. Maybe a
Alright,
lap.
Beast Man.
Maybe a lap is a mile.
How's it
Just
going?
saying.
Alright. How's it going, Beast Man?
Bad.
Okay.
Alright,
Welcome back to the football family. And today, happy 4th of July, everybody. It's done raining already. Everybody can get the fireworks and more rain's on its way around. Ooh. Caught one on camera. Bullseye. Sorry, it will start raining in maybe 10, 11. And alright, here's Beastman. What does Beastman do on his 4th of July?
Tackle my brother and steal his tablet.
No.
This is what I do on the 4th of July.
He tries to throw it and hits the camera. Alright, welcome back to oh my balls.
Ball shot. Ball shot. Check out my channel.
Check out Beastman's channel. And then this weekend I won't be making any videos on my family channel through Sunday afternoon.
We are
We are camping, and Friday we have a 5K race, and if you want to see that, go to Brett 44 to see the 5K.
Okay, if you'd like to see us play this game,
Got him.
So alright, we're gonna go outside and see if we can find some fireworks. My butt. How's it going, Mom? That's good. Okay. Hey, Crazy Man. Here's Crazy Man. Make sure to check out his channel.
Playing some Fortnite. That is suck at.
Yeah, he does. I even suck worse because I don't play it. Get it?
Actually, you did play it
Once, but I failed. So, alright. So, we are gonna go out here. See, getting stuff ready for camping. So, alright, check out Brett 44 if you want to see us run the 5K. And then we might have a fireworks show too. You may never know. There's a pool and trampoline. If you want to check out some stuff, go to Crazy Man and Beast Man for trampoline. See how smoky it is? It'll get worse. It can get worse yet. So, alright. So, we have a fun time camping, and then there's the Highlandville party for the 4th of July. Well, let's see what kind of fireworks we can go find. Huh? Don't do this at home, kids.
What, drink beer?
No. You can do that when you're 21. Or if you're stupid enough, you can drink it beforehand. Don't do this, people. Satisfying, Mom?
Satisfying?
Satisfying?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Alright, what else do you think we need?
I don't know. Yeah. Hopefully it's not that bad. Alright. Trying to find some fireworks in here. You can hear them, but I just can't seem to find any. Maybe when it gets a little darker, then maybe we can find some more. Because people back there.
What's your dad doing
Done.
with this? Like, is he actually going to drink that, or is he trying to give it away, or what's he doing?
Who knows? He'll probably try to give it away.
Well, I was going to give it to Auntie Kristen, so I don't know why he's
Oh.
going to give it away.
Oh.
Hi, Mrs. Carla. How are you? Pack it out.
can't seem to find any. But you can sure hear them. So, alrighty. We are packing up, ready to go camping. Getting that chainsaw, vroom vroom. Pool floats here. Oh, are you kidding me? Well, maybe a little later I'll upload another. Holy crap. Or here's fireworks for you, I guess. Mama's up front talking to the neighbor across from us. Alright, there you go. You got your fireworks. Spoke too soon there. Wait, you're drinking those?
Yeah, because it's all we got.
Mom was going to give those away to Aunt Christy.
That's alright. I said take them to Houndville. You're getting down here.
Smokey! Smokey the Bear, where are you when we need you? Too much smoke around here these days. Wildfires, can't get enough of them. If you're planning on trying to travel, do not go to Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, California. All wildfires. Bad place to be. Alright, we will show you fireworks from the Highlandville party. And then the 5K. I don't know when we'll get that updated though. Sorry if it's a little blurry. But we'll just see. See? Smoke all through here. See? You can hear them for miles. Now let's just see if I can find any back here. Smoke. We'll go back here and try to get in it. Wah! Super smoky back here. Ah, this is too tall grass. It's getting my shoes wet. Get out of here. Alright, maybe a little later we will try to get back out here, show you some more fireworks, and bye for now. We will see you in a couple hours from now. So, bye. Oh, by the way, if you want to see the 5K race Thursday, and then the fireworks Friday, make sure to go and check out Brett44. And then if you just want to see... Well, yeah, why not? How else am I going to get viewers? Well, that's why I go up to the store. Okay, bye. If you want to check out the 5K race and the fireworks, go to Brett44. And if you just want to see stuff around here with crazy, or if you got more fireworks, see, this is just working out tonight. Didn't stop it at the right timing. Neighbors firing them off. So as I was saying, go check out Brett44. If you like fireworks, please go do that. And then check out the 5K race too. And then go check out the house tour too. Like, this is only going to be my third video on there. Ooh, can we catch that firefly on there again? No, guess not. Maybe if I keep on talking to you guys, maybe I can catch some more fireworks out around here. Speaking Speaking of fireworks, you just heard another one, but I did not catch it on film.
wanna play
And here's
catch?
Beast Man.
You want to play catch?
No, because smoke's coming right through here. Smokey the Bear, where are you? I thought you were gonna actually throw that, so I was.
Or do you want me to?
Whatever.
Viewers, how far do you think I can throw it?
Comment down below where you think he can throw it to. It's far out there. If you want, I'll zoom in for you so you can see most of the area.
You just zoomed out. Okay.
All right. Comment down below how far you think where Beastman can get.
And also, I'm not the quarterback. Okay.
This kid behind the film is.
Yep. Except he is actually worse than me.
But I just gotta work at it. Practice makes perfect, people. All right, here we go. All right, we'll go try to look for it. Well, just stand where it is. Holy. I'm gonna be deaf after this. Alright, there's Beastman there. I had to get the fireworks. Alright, you can come in. Or he'll throw it. Hit the car. Yep. And then into the neighbor's yard. Way to go.
I got a bug in my eye.
Well, good for you.
Where is it?
I don't know. Look for it. Went that way. Yes, you're going in the right direction. You can't find it?
No, I'm blind.
You must be.
Why? It's right there.
Oh, you put it in that garden. Way to go, child.
Oh, bruh, you said that way.
Well, sorry. I thought it went that way. Holy. Pretty soon you won't even be able to see out here.
Well,
My goodness.
I think I'm gonna go in before I
Bye, Beastman.
inhale too much smoke.
Inhale the smoke.
If he dies, it's because he inhaled too much smoke.
God. Pretty soon you won't even be able to see. Oh, I wonder if this stuff will pick up on the radar. Comment down below if it does. And comment down below if you guys like fireworks. Happy July, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Happy July. Comment down below if you guys like fireworks. And should have said that at the beginning. But these fireworks may be too loud for your electronics. If you're wearing headphones, earbuds, turn it down because it's pretty loud. And we'll come out with another video after it gets a little bit more darker out and people start to shoot off a little bit more fireworks. So, alright, check out Brett44 if you want to watch the 5K race and the 4th of July fireworks. It will be on my birthday. The fireworks will be. Saturday is my birthday, the 7th of July. Sorry, if you want to just watch those, you can comment. Well, no, not comment. Just go to Brett44 and you can watch that. If you want to watch Star Wars Battlefronts here, or Fortnite, I don't know if Crazy Man's filmed any Fortnite videos, but you can go check out Crazy Man. And if you just want to go see Beastman with his football stuff in there, you can go do that by just saying Beastman. And I don't know if I'll get any more fireworks before I turn this camera off. It looks like they've been shooting a little bit over there. I guess it is getting a little bit darker out. But I guess I can make a part 2 to this video because we are getting to the end. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time for part 2. And these